Hello, welcome to the Dutch Elite Series model home. This home features double 5-inch Dutch lap vinyl siding standard that comes in various colors. It also has a limited lifetime warranty. Also standard on the outside is wide white window lineals or residential vinyl shutters. The shingles are 25-year 3-tab, and it comes with a standard 12-inch overhang nominal with vented soffit. This house comes standard with R22 insulation in the ceiling, R11 in the sidewalls, and R11 in the floors. However, most of our customers elect to upgrade the insulation to R30 insulation in the ceiling, R11 in the sidewall, and R22 flooring insulation, which this house has. Some of the other features are 8-foot residential ceilings. These ceilings allow for larger entryway doors and more clearance for your ceiling fans and hanging light fixtures. A 50-gallon hot water heater is standard in this series, which gives you larger capacity for your families and is also energy efficient. The recessed can lighting that you will see throughout the house are LED lights. Not only are they residential, but they also are highly energy efficient, which is very important to today's consumer. Construction-wise, we do all 2x4 exterior walls, 16 on center, double 2x4 marriage line walls, and 2x6 or 2x8 floor joists, 16 on center. All of our homes come with OSB floor decking. So once we've gone through the construction, let's now move into our beautiful kitchen in this particular model. We are now standing in the kitchen in this beautiful model. This house, most of our Dutch houses feature an island. This one features a large residential island, spacious, great for family gatherings. You can eat meals here, you can just gather with friends. A really good feature for this particular house. We're going to now move over to our cabinet system. Standard in the Dutch Elite series are solid wood cabinet doors. These doors are durable, long-lasting, give you a great look for a long time. It features a residential handle and hidden residential hinges. This cabinet also is lined and features adjustable shelves so that the consumer can adjust the shelves based on the height of their dishes. Great feature. And then the soft close cabinet door allows that cabinet door to stop before it bangs against the cabinet. Great feature. All of our Dutch Elite series comes standard with a stainless steel sink and metal faucet. This particular model, we're going to feature our 7-inch deep black acrylic upgraded sink, large sink, very durable, with an upgraded pull-out faucet that you can maneuver in position in any way the consumer would like. The Dutch Elite series comes with an appliance package. It is standard 18 cubic foot refrigerator and a standard Whirlpool range and a beautiful Venetian range hood with several fan settings and LED lighting. What we have optioned in on this particular model is our upgraded appliance package. It comes with a 25 cubic foot refrigerator with ice and water in the door, a wall-mounted microwave oven, a beautiful smooth top self-cleaning deluxe range, and a deluxe Whirlpool dishwasher as part of that package. These features are optional in all of our Dutch housing series. Let's take a look at the master bedroom and the spacious room that you have. Now we're going to enter this master bath, which features a 48-inch one-piece fiberglass shower, which is a spacious room for showering. It features double seats, soap dishes, and finally a sliding glass shower door. We also are featuring standard the double sinks, a plethora of cabinet doors, vintage mirror trim, and metal faucets. We will round that off with deep oval soaker tub, residential fluted columns, again a metal faucet, and then we will finish up with an enclosed water closet, which comes standard in a lot of the Dutch Elite series. As you know, energy efficiency is extremely important to today's consumer. One of the features of the Dutch Elite that is standard is the Kenro Low E dual pane vinyl windows. First, it's a vinyl coated window, which means you have no maintenance. Don't have to paint it, don't have to upkeep it. Great feature. Secondly, the low E stands for low emissions. What that means is there is a thin coating between the panes of these windows which reflects ultraviolet rays. That keeps the house cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Third is the Easy Clean window. The bottom sash easily pops out for the consumer so they can clean these windows easy and efficiently, which makes for a solid, energy efficient window for the consumer. The Dutch Elite series in this home features a large utility room. We upgraded the rear door to a 6-panel fiberglass door. It includes a deadbolt, and this is an Energy Star certified door in all 50 states. It also includes our washer box fittings, which are brass, and a whole water shutoff valve.